Health and safety are priorities as we prepare for a responsible return to school. We care about the students, staff, and families of Omaha Public Schools. Here's a look at some of our enhanced cleaning and safety procedures. When you arrive at an Omaha Public School, you'll see a hand sanitizing station right away. Face coverings will be worn by all staff, students, and visitors when on site. In addition to the reusable coverings provided by our district, disposable ones will be available at the entrance. School buildings will be disinfected multiple times a week. High-traffic touch points such as handrails and door handles will be disinfected frequently. Any equipment and furniture that must be shared will be cleaned between each class. Families, make sure you've shared an email address with your student's school. That's the best way to stay up to date. To read our full plan for a responsible return to school, visit our website, ops.org.